Ever pondered the essence of the keto diet? That's precisely what we'll delve into today. The keto diet, short for ketogenic diet, is a low-carb, high-fat diet that's been gaining popularity for its potential health benefits. So, how does it work? The keto diet radically changes your body's fuel supply. Instead of relying on glucose from carbohydrates, your body starts burning ketones, which are molecules your liver produces when you're in a state of low food intake or when you consume very few carbs and moderate amounts of protein. This metabolic state is known as ketosis. Now you might wonder, why would anyone want to be in a state of ketosis? Well, the answer lies in its potential benefits. The keto diet is believed to promote weight loss, improve mental clarity, increase physical energy, and even aid in managing or preventing certain medical conditions like diabetes and epilepsy, among others. So if you're ready to embark on the keto journey, here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1 is to drastically reduce your carbohydrate intake. The keto diet typically limits carbs to 20 to 50 grams per day. This means saying goodbye to bread, pasta, and sugary treats, and saying hello to foods like meat, fish, eggs, vegetables, and healthy oils. Step 2 is to increase your fat intake. This might seem counterintuitive, especially if you're aiming for weight loss. However, in the keto diet, fats will be your primary energy source. So foods like avocados, cheese, and fatty meats are your new best friends. Step 3 is about maintaining a moderate protein intake. While proteins are essential for body functions, too much can interfere with ketosis, so balance is key here. Step 4 is hydration and electrolyte balance. As your body shifts into ketosis, you may lose more water and electrolytes. So drinking plenty of water and maintaining electrolyte balance is crucial. To recap, the keto diet is a high-fat, low-carb diet designed to put your body into a state of ketosis. This can promote weight loss, mental clarity, and energy levels, and may even have potential medical benefits. To follow the keto diet, you'll need to drastically reduce your carbohydrate intake, increase your fat intake, maintain a moderate protein intake, and keep hydrated with balanced electrolytes. Remember, before starting any new diet, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide you with personalized guidance and help you understand if the keto diet is right for you. So, there you have it, a beginner's guide to the keto diet. Whether you're considering it for weight loss, health benefits, or simply curiosity, understanding how it works is the first step to making informed dietary choices. Happy exploring!